Howdy, this is Terry, and I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to click that like button and look at the description of this video. I have all kinds of links, and on my homepage, you'll see a bunch of playlists for how I lost my weight. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Okay, let's work on our food for tomorrow. I've got a peach, Too Good Greek yogurt. You have good taste, it says. I know. You know how I know? Because I got some pretty amazing people that are all watching me right now. And I know those people are pretty stinking amazing. So yeah, I got good taste. I do. Alright, so there's the yogurt. I didn't weigh it because it's the cottage cheese that I want to weigh. So now I'm going to zero it out. And then I'm doing 1 serving of the yogurt and 1 serving of cottage cheese. This serving is, I forgot it, is 114 grams. So we're going to put in 114 grams. There was some of the yogurt adhered to it, so I'm okay with it. Hang on. Okay. Now. So in the morning, I'll do like I did today, and I'll squirt in some Mio to get extra flavor. So that's for 1 breakfast. I got to get my avocado. Hold on. Okay, we've got our half serving of avocado. I just have to find my guacamole and more seasoning. I put it in a different container. I'm curious if it will fit in this. I mean, it fit, but now I want to see if the lid will fit on here. This is some of those disposable things that I bought on Amazon. Hey, it worked. So, alrighty. So there's that. And what else? So breakfast. I have a piece of bacon. So I'll do that again. That's what I had this morning was my cottage cheese, yogurt, avocado, and bacon. So that'll be my breakfast. Now lunch tomorrow. Got my salad here. Let's go on and see how we're looking. Okay, we're going to put in some plain old bell peppers that I cut up. I have them pretty big. I didn't cut them very small, but that's okay. So some bell peppers. Turn it back upside down. Where do you go to? You go over here. A few carrots. Try not to get too carried away. Let me break this a little bit. That will help. Okay. So a few carrots. Is there a paper towel on the bottom of this? Nope. Let me put a paper towel on the top. That will I'll flip them upside down just like I do the other thing. Just a second here. All right. So now that's upside down along with you. Oh yeah, I pulled those. Okay. And then these are the pickles that I made. I don't know when they'll show up in the rotation, but this is the way I used to make them. So this is I use all the vinegars. So just lots of vinegars and veggies. So I'll just call it my pickled veg. Pickled veggies. Give me just a second. Let's see. So, sorry, Callie was outside expressing her feelings to the neighborhood. I went to Bible study and she's feeling very unloved in the moment. So we're going to put a little Greek seasoning on my salad. We're going to put some of the total seasoning on my salad. And a little bit of my dehydrated garlic. And instead of the everything bagel, I'm just going to put some sesame seeds because that's the texture I like. So put on some sesame seeds. Okay. So there is that. I'm going to see if I can put just a few tomatoes on here. And you may notice I have not been zeroing this out. I didn't. It'll be all right. It won't kill me. It won't kill me. It just might kill me. Let me grab my salad dressing. I forgot that part. So last night, if you remember, I took the bread and butter pickles and I put some of the juice in here. So this is such a mixture of dressings. I don't even know what's what anymore. I just know it's going to taste good. So I'll put my salad dressing on there. There we go. And, okay. So now let's see if we can get the lid on this thing. This is the definition of a bass. Hey, I got the lid on. Look at me go. First try. All right, so we got our salad. We got our breakfast. Now, tomorrow, I really want to see if the girls want to try. And they may not. And if they don't, you know I'll eat it. It's a turnip salad and rutabaga salad. But I want to take it and kind of get the girls' opinion and see what they think. So I'm setting them here. And then I may not have enough room. I may not be able to take it. Maybe I'll just take one or maybe I'll take none. Let's just see what we got going on here. We got our apples. Because they're small. Don't judge me. Ground beef and ground beef. So it looks like we're having ground beef tomorrow. So let me figure out what I'm going to put in it. Let me clean this up and I'll figure out what we're going to put in it. Okay, so I'm going to finish up my harissa. Callie, don't go out there. No ma'am. No ma'am. Good girl. Good girl. They don't need to hear your business, sis. Alright, so I'm finishing off this Mina harissa. It says by tonight at 9 o'clock my other one will come. It's a powdered one. So I'm excited to see how that worked. Please don't get mad. I forgot which one of you said you use it. So this is at the end of this. It's 125 grams. And this one is 113 grams. 45 calories. 50 calories. So they're very similar. So I'm going to finish this one off. Okay. There we go. So what I say, I done forgot. All right. Okay, close enough. Y'all know it's killing me not to lick this jar, right? But I didn't. I was professional. Look at that. I did not lick the jar. But let me tell you what I am going to do. And I put a splash of water in this one. I'm going to shake it up. And we're going to just pour it into this one. That's a lot of goodness to let go to waste, you know. Some chunks in there. All right. Now, I'll put this lid on and I'll shake it up and I'll never know the difference. All right, so there we go. Seasoning, you guys. You guys, try to go fast so I don't take all night. And look at me. Look at me. We know what I'm about to go in with first, the Greek seasoning. I mean, that's a no-brainer. That's always what I go in first. We're going to put in a little bit of adobo, just a wee bit, and a little bit of paprika. And since that was roast, oh no, that's tomato, basil. We still got to put in some garlic, because garlic, yes please. And that's good enough. So that's what we're having tomorrow. We're going with an Italian inspired. Oh, dang it. I just licked that spoon. And that's from the harissa. Oh, my mouth. Oh, my mouth. Losey me. I hate when I do that. It's okay, Terry. Be stronger than the harissa. Be stronger than the harissa. All right. So, we've got our salad and our thingy for lunch. We've got a couple apples for lunch. Then breakfast, we've got our yogurt and cottage cheese. Our, avocado. And a piece of bacon. And I think a spoon. Hello. Forgot to put it back in there. So that's all my food for breakfast and lunch. Remember, tomorrow I am going to Going to the Red Hat ladies, which makes me wonder. I wonder if that other. I really would like to see what my coworkers think of these. Hang on. I'm really wondering if I could get them to fit. Especially my Leslie. I'd love to see what she thinks, which one she likes better. I could leave the apples out. I mean, you know I'm going to take them. I just mean not put them in. I could do that. And then just put the apples in a baggie and take that also. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Because, okay, now that's what I'm doing. So I'm taking those because that's the turnip salad and a Bega salad. And I want to see which ones, if any, which one they like better. So, all right. And then I'll put these in something else. Maybe I'll just set them right here on top of my purse. So in the morning, when I grab my purse, I'll have these already. Sometimes my coworkers are like, you want us to taste what? And I'm like, come on. Sometimes they will and sometimes they won't. It kind of varies, believe you me. So, all right. Got my apples. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Oh, my coffee. I've already added my Torani s'mores. Thank you very much. And so I'll put this in the refrigerator and I'll see you in the morning for breakfast. Hey, so look what I'm wearing today. I got my jacket that I just bought. And because it's Red Hat Lady Day, so I've got the purple shirt under this. I don't want to have to remember to go home and change to a purple shirt. So anyway, so I got my black leathered blazer jacket over it, and I got black pants and then that shirt. So anyway, breakfast today. I've got my yogurt and cottage cheese. I'm gonna use some strawberry watermelon. And I just kind of spread a little on the side. I say a little. I don't know, it's that much. But, and again, spray it against the side or something so it doesn't splash up all over your computer or your papers and whatnot. Keep checking back there. I don't think I want to make sure I didn't have anything with any client names or anything on it. But it don't. It's just nothing. So, anyway. Oh, yeah, it's this from my church. It's from my church when they were talking about that's a group in Cape, a local group, and they go to emergencies. So, anyway, all right, so we got this yogurt cottage cheese. And, hang on, I gotta have another bite. I'm a little scattered today. No particular reason. Avocado with our guacamole and more seasoning. My last piece of bacon. So that's my breakfast. I'll see you at lunchtime. And I'll let you know if any of my coworkers are willing to taste my turnip salad or Bega salad. Let me just see if Leslie's going to be in this building today. Oh, she sure is. So we'll see. We'll see what she thinks of it. Okay, bye. It's lunchtime, and we have our ground beef with the pasta sauce and harissa sauce. See, you can use your ground beef in all kinds of ways. You don't have to eat the same thing every time. And then my salad. So I took my rutabaga and turnip salad around the building. 10 people tried it. 5 liked the rutabaga better, and 5 liked the turnip better. So this weekend, I'm going to a birthday party, and I texted the guy hosting asking if I could bring anything, and he said that I could bring some baked beans. So I'm going to bring some baked beans for them, and then I'm going to make up some rutabaga salad and bring that and see if anybody likes it, and just for fun, you know. So Saturday, I'll be making
some good old baked beans, and then, which I won't eat, but that's okay. It'll be delicious for those people. So I'll make that, and I'll make a big old batch of rutabaga salad. So, okay, bye. So question, do you guys, this weekend I'm going to be making the beans, and it's a meal prep, but it's not my usual meal prep, and it's not a low carb meal prep, and it's not a keto meal prep. Do you all want me to show you what I do? It will involve some sugar and some high sugar things and beans. So I'm just curious if you all would want me to share it or not share it. I mean, I guess I'm going to have to buy some sugar. I wonder if you can, it'd be funny to go next door and be like, hey, can I borrow 1 cup of sugar? It's just like they would do in the 50s. But anyway, so I'll probably just buy a little thing of sugar. But anyway, I'm just curious. Do you all think it's okay? Is it, I mean, it's not me, but it is what I'm doing. So you let me know. You let me know down in the comments if you think you'd be okay seeing it or if I can just leave it off. Just let me know because I'll be Saturday. Bye. Here you can see I got a 1-trip salad. It's a bunch of vegetables and some salad dressing. And also I got a pizza bake. So it's everything pizza bake, but it's just not on a crust. And it's super yummy when they make this. I did light sauce this time. It was really, really good. And there's parts of it from the inside. Okay, so I'm back. So I had, as you saw, for those of you who are new, I had a salad. It's a 1-trip salad. I went up and, filled up. And then I got a pizza bake. So you can pick whatever kind of pizza you want. I get the everything pizza. And they just bake it in a bowl, in a ceramic dish. And you have that. But there's sauce and then whatever toppings you like. Palmy, who I was also with tonight, she got one. Hers was the chicken fajita one, and it looked good too. They used the pizza sauce, and she got light sauce, but it was like chicken fajita pizza. So anyway, that one looked good too. I might try it sometime, but we'll see. But anyway, so that's what I had. So that's the end. Okay, bye.